Assalamu alaikum, namaskar and welcome to everyone to my channel Down the Codes. Hi guys, this is Imran and welcome to my channel Down the Code. Today we are discussing about my journey at the Kingfisher calendar, and I will show you some of the BTS of from my Kingfisher calendar shoot from 2015-16, and there's no 17 actually because we was not shooting anything on the on that calendar. I was the assistant for these entire calendars, and I loved the process of getting the pictures from planning and processing and then shooting at the location and then final production. So it's very remarkable, the process where you can learn a lot about the art of fashions, and you understand how the commercial project is established, how they started, and they will how it come to the finish end. So today I am discussing about my journey in the Kingfisher calendar, and I'll show you some of the clips of the behind the scenes, so you can see how we are doing on the location shoot actually. So you will get the idea. So guys, without wasting our time, let's get started off behind the scenes of Kingfisher calendar. So I'm very lucky to be featured on Kingfisher calendar in the series of 2015, 16 and 17. So this is my dream to be on the Kingfisher calendar and the project with Mr. Atul Kazbekar. So I am here and I lived it for my journey as an assistant photographer, and I really loved the kind of work Atul create with his visual power. And from that thing, he created many iconic images from the Kingfisher calendars, editorial shoots, and many more advertising campaigns, which you see in your 19s and 20s. Most of the campaigns has been shot by Mr. Atul Kazbekar. He is one of the most highest fashion photographer in the country, who is doing a fabulous work from his beginning till here. And I'm really thankful to be a part of such amazing team where we creating the iconic images from the calendars itself. It's not easy to be a part of such a photographer कि आप जहाँ पर इतना प्रोफेशनल वर्क कर रहे हो, तो डेफिनेटली आपको वहाँ पे काफी सारी एक्सपर्टाइज को यू हैव टू लर्न, आपको समझना पड़ता है, एंड यू हैव टू बिल्ड मोर स्किल्स विच हेल्प सच काइंड ऑफ work like a Photoshop, to understand the lighting concept. You need to be very good at the management. You need to be very good in the speaking. You need to be a very good communicator, and giving a valuable added services to the person. So these are the very important point when you are assisting someone. It's very important. You too should understand कि आपको उस पर्सन के काम को इफेक्टिवली उनके टाइम को मैनेज करना है. यू नीड टू हेल्प इन द अनदर डिफरेंट टास्क, ताकि द पर्सन वो पूरी तरह अपने काम पर फोकस कर पाए, ना कि द अदर थिंग्स. So the process of making Kingfisher calendar, it start with the auditions. We auditions different supermodels and models for the Kingfisher calendars. After auditioning the entire models, we choose the 5 or 6 models for the year's calendar, and by the times when we are shooting the different auditions, we hunt or we look for the different location also where we shoot that year calendar. Once we choose the locations, someone from our team will go for the locations and do a recce shoots. What is a recce shoot? Recce shoot, it's very important when you going for a location shoots. Someone from our team will go for the location and shoot the pictures of the property and different locations. Once we understand the frame and the property which is available on the location, so it give us idea what kind of frame and what kind of reference images that we used to start the picture. Okay, to start the process of when you go for the location shoots, so you need to have some idea of the property, like how the properties look like, because when we go for this kind of location shoots, we have tons of 5 or 6 locations different location, and the property is also very huge. So it's not possible to shoot or to visit the entire property for the same day. It is not possible, because we are running out of time. We have a different schedules for the day. We have different shot that we need to achieve in the single day. So it's a very very busy schedule, so we can't do a recce in the same day. But if we have the recce images, we realize, okay, if the sunlight is in the east, so it will go in the sunset time, then this frame will look nicer because of the light fall. So this kind of idea will comes once you have the recce images. So आपको recce images हमेशा करना जरूरी है इस तरह के कैंपेन के लिए जहां पर आप लोकेशन शूट करने जा रहे हो स्पेशली. So yeah, so once we finalize with auditions model, a selected model, maybe 5 or 6, we are finalized with the location, we finalized with the team of makeup artist, stylist, hair, and local production team. We have the recce images, then we fix the date to land on the location and start the Kingfisher calendar shoots. The Kingfisher calendar shoots duration may be 10 days or 9 days or 11 days. So it's more than 7 to 8 days, because what we are planning to shoot 6 or 7 different shoots in a single day. So we need to shoot 7 to 6 shoots every single day till the 7 to 8 days. So what happens, we have the tons of pictures with us, not just the final 12 pictures. We shot more than 45 pictures of 50 different outfit with different locations, and by the selection process we choose the finals ones which will come into the calendars. And we so once we are done everything, we are going to start the location with the shoots. So I am sharing with you behind the scene for 2015 calendar shoots and the 16 calendar shoots. So it's I don't have document anything from my assistant years because I was not thinking to document myself and to keep the data with me, but I find it the entire videos on the NDTV Good Times. So this is the Turkey calendar shoots where we are shooting Elena and Asha and Sarah Jane Diaz and Kisa Lal, Diana Rappa. So these are the supermodels and actors. So the Turkey Kingfisher calendar, it's very important for me, and I really loved the process. The location itself, it's a very 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 beautiful. I especially like the Pamukkale and Cappadocia. I really want to go I really wanted to go in my life once again at the same place, but in a winter. Thank you. So here Atul is sharing some tips on the calendar. So I think you should have to listen in.
Welcome to the last day of the shoot of the 2015 edition of the Kingfisher calendar, and we are in this incredible city of Cappadocia. So we're going to shoot Elena with this mad structure behind her, which will be a start. We're hoping to shoot with some horses today.
Beaches, bikinis, beauties.
Hello and welcome to the beautiful Seychelles. This is our destination for the 2016 Kingfisher calendar. In the Seychelles, we're looking at shooting at some of the best beaches in the world. So it's really all about the girl. It's about the most stunning water, sky, sand. So thank you for watching. This is Atul Kaspekar, and you're watching the making of the Kingfisher calendar 2016 in fabulous Seychelles.
This year we are shooting Kingfisher Calendar 2016, and you can see some of the behind the scene in the video. This year we shot with the 5 models: Maya Hedden, Aishwarya Shushmita, Sushri, and Aisha Sharma, and there's one more girl, Noini Talwal. So these are the 5 girls with us on the Kingfisher Calendar 2016 session. So the most challenging part of the calendar is the weather, because we thought the Seychelles will be the summer season for us, but once we landed there, it's total rainy weather for the entire 6 to 8 days, and it's very difficult us to shoot in such a location where we are going to shoot at the beach, but it's raining, so you can't get the proper light. Everything is rainy, so you are stuck with your equipments. You have to you have a light, so it's very difficult for us to shoot in such environment, because the weather is playing with us. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's completely sunshine. So yes, we had a very different and difficult time at this calendar. So the most challenging and the interesting part of this year calendar is to shooting the cover images, which you can see in the video. So it's a very challenging part of shooting this, because we are shooting different models in a single times, and then in the post production we merge them into the single one. So it's very interesting to be shoot such kind of image. So my last year Kingfisher Calendar in 2017, where we shot in the magnificent locations of Greece, Mykonos. We don't have any videos from this year, but you can see the pictures what we shot. And this year Kingfisher Calendar, it's really remarkable with the light, information, and the kind of structure and location that we had in the entire 2017 calendar. So unluckily we don't have the videos of this year location, but you can enjoy these images from 2017 Kingfisher Calendar. We work with different models. So this year we shot with the different models: Meenakshi Rathore, Nora Fateh, Kanishta Dhankar, Vartika Singh, Diana Rappa, and Helena Gomes. So this year we shot with these supermodels and actresses. Yeah, so we have remarkable images from this year too. Hope you understand the entire process. Hello, this is Imran. Welcome to the Kingfisher Calendar 2017. This is the 15th editions of Kingfisher Calendar, and we are in the Greece. Happy location, Mykonos. You can see the location from here. This is so much cool. Stay tuned for more update. So after done with the calendar shoots on the different locations, so we go for the Kingfisher Calendar post productions, where we shot the different pictures for the final post productions, and the final post production will be happen behind of this stage. We are also designing the Kingfisher Calendar every year, because the design is also different every year. So we finalize the design option also, and once we have the final designs of the calendars and the final images of 12 pictures or 15 pictures of the final selection, final post production images, which we can use in the calendar. So we design according to the image and the date panel. So once we have ready and the final design is approved, then we go for the production. Once the production is came, that calendar is distributed for different personality and the most celebrity people of the country. So I feel really proud that I got featured my name on the Kingfisher Calendar 2015, 2016, 2017. So it's a very remarkable achievement for me to be featured on the Kingfisher Calendar, and I'm really thankful for the entire team, Mr. Atul Kazbekar and the team itself, who has supported me for the entire process. And काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला, and बहुत कुछ अभी करना बाकी है. Then definitely I'll also feature sometimes the upcoming Kingfisher Calendar. Let's see by what time I get chance to be there on the next Kingfisher Calendar. Okay, this is it. I know that I have a very few clips from behind the scene, and which I found on the YouTube. But if you really wanted to see the total behind the scene of 15 to 16, and actually it will be available from the beginning of the Kingfisher calendar 2003 till 2020 and 21. So you can see the behind the scene on the YouTube itself, where you can find the channel, and YouTube Good Times, where you can see the playlist of making Kingfisher calendar. So if you want to go, you can see there. And if you wanted really premium version of the behind the scene Kingfisher calendar, so you can go to the Amazon Prime, where you find a different season of the different calendars. And let me know in the comment box what is what you are thinking about the Kingfisher calendar and how you are enjoying it. So thank you so much. So this is it, guys, and this is the end of our video. Hopefully you love the kind of content and material which I provide to you about the Kingfisher calendar, and you know the entire process, how we make a Kingfisher calendar from the start till the end. So there are many layers of processing which involved in the calendar. So it's not a one-day job, and it's not created in a one-day. It will take almost 4 to 5 months to finalize the entire process from A to Z. So hopefully you love the information, and let me know if you have any comments or any recommendation for me, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your people. So thank you so much. Till that time, goodbye. We are coming into the next topic. Thank you so much. Bye.